Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, this is the second video review for our T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. So we are done with the specs and design of the smartwatch. This time we are going to check on the menus and features of this Watch Ultra clone smartwatch. It is an affordable Watch Ultra clone smartwatch, and it is using the Watch Pro Support App. It is also a wireless charging smartwatch with a 2.19-inch infinite display. So we are going to check on the menus and features. So if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore more about the offered features here in the wearable. Okay, so again, just press the crown button here and it will activate the smartwatch. On top, we have the message notifications. On the bottom part, we have the menus. Okay, for example, this one, this is a menu style. Okay, again, on top we have the message notifications. On the bottom part, we have the quick settings with the option here. For example, here, menu style, Bluetooth call, flashlight, okay, airplane mode. And on the left side, we have the split screen. It shows the recently accessed applications. On the right side, we have the different watch faces. Okay, on your home screen, you can use this one, the crown button, to change the watch face. So let's check. Okay, so we have here, how many styles do we have? We have 1 style. First style, we have the bubble type. Second style, we have the list menu. Style 3, we have the grid menu. Style 4, rotary. Style 5, again another rotary type of rotary menu, or rotating menu. Style 6, okay, the same but with more details here. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go with the style number 2. Okay, so we have the list style. Okay, so we have here the dialer, phone book. So we have here a support for Bluetooth phone call. We also have the heart rate, blood oxygen, health recycling, ECG, sports, camera, blood pressure. Okay, I wonder why they put the blood pressure here. So it seems like the menu is not in alphabetical order or categorized, as you can see here. Okay, ECG, sports, camera, blood pressure. We also have a music control, reset, weather, looking for, sleep monitoring. We have the menu style. We already checked on that. We have message notifications. We also have, what else do we have here? Music control, reset weather, stopwatch, QR code. We have the Facebook support here, Twitter. So this is for the notifications. Again, you cannot browse the Facebook, but can only receive notifications. We have the WhatsApp, we have the game, calendar, calculator, breathing guide. Okay. In the more section of your settings, we have change the watch. Okay, so you can upgrade here. You have Siri. Let's check about this. Okay, we have Siri is your AI voice support. We have turn your wrist, okay, to display screen. So this one, dynamic. I think this is for dynamic watch face. About, set language. We also have several language support here. Set time, set date, go back time, backlight time, we'll make it 30 seconds. Bed lamps, side mode, side key setting. So our default for the side key here is the sports, but you can change it to other functions like blood pressure, health, cyclic, games, heart rate, and other functions. Okay, go back. We also have split screen support. Let's see if we disable it. And we have screen display here. Maybe this one. I don't know this one. Okay, what's the purpose of this? We'll check on this. We have backlight brightness, so you can also adjust it. Okay, let's see. Dim and full. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so this one on top, it is a smart, I think it's Smart Island. Language, side key, this one. Okay, I think it is the Smart Island. Still here. Okay, we don't have the split screen anymore. But I think I like the split screen. Let's put it back. Let's go back to the settings. More. Set time, set date. Screen. Split screen. Okay, I don't know about this one. Okay, maybe vibration, something. Okay, so there's a symbol here. Seems like it. Okay, vibration. Backlight time, go back time. I don't see any options for the 24-hour or 12-hour. Maybe it's in the support app. Okay, T900 Ultra. Okay, for the sports, let's check. We have running, bike riding, strength training, basketball, tennis, volleyball, and football. How many sports do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least 7 sports function is available for our smartwatch. Okay. Let's see. So it tracks the time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. So it depends upon the sports function. Heart rate, let's see the UI. Okay, now similar to other smartwatches. I think they have the same UI with the T800. Okay, so that's it for our T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Okay, so gesture control on. We'll try this one. Okay, as we go on, as we review more on the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Goodbye.